channel. For my video this week, I decided to do last minute Valentine's Day date ideas, or what to do on Valentine's Day, and all of these ideas are super inexpensive and super safe for the time we're living in right now. And I tried to include things for everybody, whether you're single or you have somebody to spend Valentine's Day with. I tried to put ideas in for everyone, so if you only have your parents to hang out with, or you only have your dog to hang out with, like, I got you covered. Or if you just have yourself, nothing's wrong with like having a date with yourself. I mean, I was single for quite a few of my Valentine's Days before Christopher came into my life. This is only the second year I've ever had a Valentine, so I'm used to having, you know, the party of one on Valentine's Day, or me and my dog. So if you have no clue what to do on Valentine's Day, you should try out one of these ideas, because I had the funnest week filming all these things. And without further ado, here is my last Valentine's Day video of 2021. So I think one of the best inexpensive date ideas is to take advantage of whatever natural surroundings you have around you locally that are free. So whether that's hiking or whether just the natural weather you have, take advantage of it. So if it's a sunny day and you have a place to hike, I definitely recommend hiking because it's free, it's fun, it's beautiful. I love hiking. We go a lot, but we hadn't been able to go recently because it snows a lot where we live. So this day it wasn't snowing. We decided to go on a hike. We just brought our snacks and it was super duper fun. So I would definitely recommend this one if you are a more active person looking for a date idea for Valentine's Day and it's warm where you live. Feel the things I do. However, if it snows where you live, I recommend taking advantage of that too. So this day, it came a massive snow. This was a little later in the day, so a bit of it had melted, but we decided we wanted to go have a snowball fight and build a snowman. We called a truce. Stop! 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 Snowball fights are actually another fun way to get your exercise in, because we were like breathless and sweating at the end of this. This one was really fun. We tried to build a snowman and then we realized the snow was too powdery fine to do that. So then we just went back to having another snowball fight. This one was really fun. This was one of my favorites. You can't do this for very long, obviously, because you get super cold. But if you want a quick, easy date idea, go out and do some snowball fights or make a snowman or some snow angels. If your Valentine doesn't mind being cold, I think this is a great date idea for them. Just make sure you bundle up if you're gonna do this one. In and out of love, never get enough. So a classic inexpensive date idea is a picnic. So me and my boyfriend went on a picnic and we made these cute little heart-shaped sandwiches. He went for peanut butter Nutella and I went for peanut butter and jelly. So he toasted his bread and then he just cut out his little heart-shaped sandwiches. How cute is that? And then he just put his little sandwiches together and then we put them in this cute little to-go box. Aren't those adorable? There they are, ready to go. I didn't toast mine, by the way, that's why they look like that. So then I just put them in my little cooler backpack and I added in whatever drinks we're gonna have, whatever other snacks we wanted, and then we headed to the park. So we initially were gonna put our blanket down on the ground, but as you can see, it snowed a few days before this, so we decided to go to the playground. And I actually enjoyed this way better. It felt like we had our own little fort, so I would recommend having your picnic at the playground. Just bring a blanket and you just need your snacks and stuff, and it's a super inexpensive but still super cute date idea. I loved this one. I felt super cute here. I also made these little sandwiches with avocado toast and they were also cute. If you're going on a brunch date, you could do that. The playground also gives your date an easy exit point. If they find out they don't really like you, they can just slide away like Christopher did here. But he came back, no worries. I think this one was one of my favorite dates because I just felt so cute. So if you would rather stay in on Valentine's Day, I think an awesome idea is a movie night with homemade snacks. And to me, if you make it at home, it's a homemade snack.
So we decided to make these heart-shaped cookies because they were perfect for the occasion. These cookies cook super fast. They only need to cook for 10 to 12 minutes. They're also really inexpensive. I believe this pack of 20 was only around $2. So this one would be really good if you're in a time crunch and you want something inexpensive. We also had to make popcorn, and I found that if you make your popcorn at home, it is way cheaper than buying the bags. It's a life changer because I used to spend so much money on popcorn. So all you need is some oil, some popcorn, and then to turn it on medium-high heat. And by the time you do that, your cookies will probably be done. We actually turned the broiler on our cookies for the last few minutes, so you can do that if you want a crispier cookie. So once your popcorn is done, you just kind of need to shake it throughout just to make sure nothing burns to the bottom. And then it'll end up looking like this. Doesn't that look so delicious? And then to serve it, I found these cute little popcorn buckets at Walmart for $1. You don't need these, but I thought they were so cute and so festive, so I went with those. And how cute is that shot? And here's how the cookies ended up turning out. Don't those look so cute and so festive? So we just took them to our room and decided to watch a television show instead of a movie because I'm a big TV person. Can you guess what we watched? I'm sure you can if you've seen any of my other videos. Of course, Bob's Burgers. My all-time favorite cartoon, aside from Arthur. But yeah, we just sat here and enjoyed our popcorn and watched Bob's Burgers, and it was such a fun night, and it was so aesthetically pleasing. Look how cute this looks. It looks like something out of a movie. If you want to impress somebody, do this. So if you or your Valentine is more into gaming, whether that be video games or board games, I think a game night is another super inexpensive way to have a cute date on Valentine's. So me and my boyfriend just played Tricky Towers this night. I'm super in love with this game. It's so addicting to me. As you can see, I take it pretty seriously, way more seriously than him. To me, you know, it kind of borders on not being a game. It's a lifestyle, just saying. However, I also made sure to include games he also likes, so here we are playing Shovel Knight. I'm the green one, and I'm not doing so hot, as you can tell. Also, if you're spending Valentine's Day alone and you still want to game, I definitely recommend online gaming because there are thousands of other people who are going to be spending Valentine's Day the same exact way as you, playing online games. These are some of my favorite games to play single player. So if you just want a relaxing night to yourself, I recommend having like a U-night where you just do all of your favorite activities for yourself. So this night I decided to paint my nails. I painted them in this pretty pink color for Valentine's Day called Fiji. And I had not done my nails in years probably. So this is how they turned out. They're not the best, but they're mine and I love them. So I did my nails, and then I'm a face mask person. I wanted to do a face mask. I found this purple face mask at Target that had conversation hearts on it. I think painting your nails, putting on your comfiest clothes, like look how floofy these are. These are like the epitome of floof. Painting your nails, getting on your comfiest clothes, and doing a face mask is the epitome of comfort. Also, it might be the epitome of crazy. Look at this. It didn't really look like how it did on the package, but it's mine, and I love it. So I just let it sit for 10 minutes, and in those 10 minutes, I was getting my relaxation on. I turned on my record player, I lit a candle, I watched my Degrassi, I watched my Glee Valentine's special, and then to end the night, I just hung out with my fish who decorated for Valentine's Day. Look at her castle. Bertha is a Valentine's Day queen. Yes, girl.
So I hope you all have a good Valentine's Day. Whoever you're spending it with, tell them you love them. Send them a card or something like that. And I'll see you all in my video next week. Bye, guys. Stop! Ow! Ow, I kicked something.
Oh.
What is it? Hold this.
Oh. Whoopsie whoopsie. Clean.
Here's the rest of it.
Who's Bob Nuts? I don't know who Bob Nuts is, but I don't appreciate it. PSA, who the hell Bob Nuts is? Get your own damn hell Hulu account.